Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sanjeev Sharma. I am a cardiologist at Eternal Hospital Cardiology Department, Jaipur. And today I would like to share my journey at Eternal Hospital. And it started way back in September 2013. The day was 2nd September 2013. The 1st September was Sunday. So me and Jitendra Makkar, we joined together on 2nd of September 2013. And we right from the beginning, and we have seen this hospital starting and gradually growing in a bigger institution day by day, year by year. And we have seen in front of our eyes reaching to the international standard and making big mark in the global stage. And this, the 2nd September 2013, after joining the hospital, we started working, and that was a very humble beginning to begin with. We had a group of doctor friends. We used to have a good time in the initial days. We had a lot of free time. Then subsequently, we started getting patients because we were involved in many outreach programs and follow patient. I still remember the first registration number of the patient, Kalyan Singh Chaudhary is the registration number 1. And I do remember him, and he still comes for the follow-up. And likewise, there are a lot of memories and milestones in the journey. And 2014 was also, we worked very hard to build up the patient base. And 2015, January 2015, we had a grand inauguration ceremony, and that was inaugurated by then Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje ji. And subsequently, we had an expansion of our department. So like in the cardiac sciences department, we got Dr. Ajit Bana as our chairman of cardiac sciences and the chief cardiac surgeon. And then we added a few more cardiologists in our department, like Ravindra Rao as a structural heart specialist, and also Dr. Sanjeev Sidana, Dr. Atul Kasliwal. And this is how the department took shape. We got all the specialty with Jitendra Makkar as a doctor of physiologist, and we got a good team of interventional cardiologists. And then as a structural heart expert, we got a Ravindra Rao. And in a year by year, we made a big milestones. And I do remember our first angioplasty on 18th of September 2013. And that day, we had waited for Dr. Samir Sharma sir to land in the evening. And then he came straight to our cath lab. And then we did our first angioplasty around 8:39 in the evening on 18th of September 2013. And that was still, memories are very fresh to my mind. And that day we did 2 angioplasty. Both were successful. And one of the patients, he still is in our follow-up and is quite happy. And he still remembers that I had come for the, on a day 1 of your hospital cath lab. And subsequently, I do remember our 1000th angioplasty. 1000th angioplasty, and that day I also had a very feeling of joy inside me that we started the first angioplasty and now it's a 1000th angioplasty. And then day by day, year by year, we had quite a good number of procedures. We had more than 7,000-8,000 angioplasty now. And we had in a structural heart in 2017, we had a first transcatheter aortic valve replacement by that whole team, Dr. Samir Sharma, Dr. Ravindra Rao, Ajit Bana. It is a very good and cohesive team working. And year by year, we crossed all the big landmarks in between. We had a more than 100 transcatheter aortic valve. We celebrated. Then we had a first transcatheter double valve replacement in a hospital. And recently we did in a native valve, double heart transcatheter valve replacement. And I do remember our first heart transplant at our hospital. That was also a moment to cherish with. And then subsequently we had a second heart transplant and third transplant. And the whole hospital, the cardiac sciences department had made a big mark, not only nationally but internationally. This all had been possible because of good team. And simultaneously we saw the growth and expansion of other departments like internal medicine. We got Dr. Rajiv Gupta sir, Dr. Khader, Dr. Alok Mathur since beginning was there with us, and Dr. J.B. Gupta. We have a very good research department under Dr. Rajiv Gupta sir and Dr. Jugal Gupta ji. and we had a neurosciences department. We got a Dr. Suresh Gupta sir recently, and we had a Dr. Tapadia as a neurosurgeon, and we are very good nephrology and urology department, Dr. A.K. Sharma sir, and in neurology we got Dr. Ravi Gupta. Likewise, we got a good faculties in all the departments, and this is how this hospital has made a big mark. Like in Rajasthan, we not only Rajasthan, but you can say in North India, we are one of the leaders. And this is a moment to be cherished, and I'm very proud of being part of this hospital. And as you know, this is the brainchild of Madam Manju Sharma ji and Dr. Samin Sharma sir. And like this hospital, because we had been associated right from the beginning, and how it took shape over last 7 years and reached to that height. For that reason, I really feel very proud of this institution, and I wish all the best and very good luck to the Eternal Hospital for the future, and may we achieve many more heights and many more milestones in the future. Thank you.